in this video, we're going to discuss about is our practice 4. Our practice 4. The previous video we discussed about in practice 3. We discussed about some electric components such as the energy meter and the circuit breaker. We will discuss those two components in the previous video, practice 3. So we already know what are energy meter and the circuit breaker. We have also seen this. We have also seen this circuit. We see that this circuit, we have this energy meter, we have the circuit breaker. We discussed in the previous video. We say that the energy meter, it has like this form. We have in the energy meter, we have the display, we have this one from the input, and we have this one, the output, here from the supply, and here from the load. And here we have the red and the positive terminal and the negative terminal, positive terminal and the negative terminal. But we see that since there will not be, it will be a AC voltage or AC current, we don't usually consider positive and terminal, because if I connect the red here, the live, or the live here, it will be the same thing. The only thing that we have to follow this here from the supply and here from the load. We see also the circuit breaker, the previous video. So now we are going to see some example of some house wiring. In this example, we're going to see some example of house wiring with around three room. Our room is going to be, we have this room. Our room is going to be, we have this room, we'll have another room here, we'll have a dining room here, we'll have room 3, and we have our living room. So we have the kitchen, we have some stair here, and we have washing room. In these rooms, we are going to place a lamp here and a decoration lamp here. We place a fan, and we place a lamp again here. That is our component in each room. So now we are going to do the house wiring of this house. This house, which has room 1, room 2, room 3, a dining room, a living and kitchen and washroom. So how our house is going to be? Our house is going to be like this one. Our house is going to be like this one. At first, let's go to see this one. We'll have our house wiring is going to be connected like this one. If we see in this one, we have the switchboard, that is our component. We'll have our switchboard, we'll have our fan, and we have the LED tube, and we have walk light and the decoration light. Now, we already discussed in the previous video about how to connect the switchboard. If we see in the fan, we have 80 watt. 80 watt means that I have, among the component, I have 80 watt. Based on the time that our fan will running, I can calculate my energy. Based the time where our LED will be running, I can also connect my energy, because I already know the power of our load, our tube. Now I have 0.5 watt of our walk light. So now, if I have the power of this our decoration 9 watt. If all of them are running in the same time, I can determine the energy will be consumed. Even the energy will show in the energy meter. It will show in the energy meter. So, but if I know the energy meter, as we see in the previous, I can also calculate the total cost that I need to pay. So that's why it's the first thing to save energy. How to save energy? If it is not needed, do not own the component. If it's not needed, do not own the component. I cannot own all of the components at the same time, because if I own all of them, they will be consume more energy. They will be consume more energy. So I will pay more. That's why if there is no hot, no need to on the fan. If it is a day, no need to on the LED. Now let's go. Now each in one room, our component will be in this one. This every room. So let's see how the component will be in all room. In all room, we are going to see how our component will be. The placement of our component is going to be like this one. Now we have this one. In each room, our components are going to be this one. Now we are going to follow the connection. For the connection of this one, the connection is going to be, we already see in the previous that we have here, which is going to be the supply. Supply will come from the supply, the live, and we also have the neutral. The neutral will come from the supply. Now, also we'll have the live will come from in this part in the load, and we have the neutral will come also here from the load. Now, this our energy meter. This one our energy meter. It's going to measure the energy of all consumed by all our house. Now, if we see, as we see in the previous video, the previous example, our this one is what dipole circuit breaker. It has two poles, so I will connect my neutral. I connect my neutral to this terminal and connect my phase or my live to this terminal. And I come again, my phase is going to be connected, let's say, from to this terminal, and this one neutral to be connected to this terminal. Now, this one, the double circuit breaker. We see the previous video that if it is double circuit breaker, means that this terminal is connected, shorted to this terminal. So this terminal, the live, is going to be connected to this single pole. This one are single pole circuit breaker is going to be connected to each circuit breaker. The live. Now the neutral will go directed to be connected to our component. Why we cannot? Because since it's a single pole circuit breaker, we will not connect the neutral. We are going to connect only the live. Now, but this one, it is a double circuit breaker that will connect the neutral. Now, here we have this one is going to be how many single circuit breaker we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6. All these 6 is going. Each one is going to control. This one will control this room. This one will control this room. This one will control here. This one will control here. This one will control here. Now let's see how our connection is going to be. Now I have this one. This circuit breaker is going to control this room. Now I have got to connect it to here. Now we already see the switch, the socket with 3 pin. We say that if I can connect the live to this pin or here, I connect it here. I have going to connect it also from here. This switch, this switch, this switch, and this switch, and this switch. This live, because this one was going to be connected with this circuit breaker. Now, if I already connected this one is the switch control the fan. So I will take it from here, take it here again to connect to the regulator, and then take the other terminal of the regulator to go to our fan, positive terminal of our fan. Now, if I go, I take this socket, this switch is going to control the socket. So I will take from here. Now, if this switch is going to control the socket, means that I don't need. I have this one again. This switch is controlling what? Is going to control our work light. Now this switch is going to control our decoration, and this switch is going to control our light. Now remember this one. This one will control our socket. That's why this one should not be connected to here. Why? Because the live will connect it through this switch. I'll connect from here and take from the switch to our live. Now remind the terminal from this room, the neutral. The neutral is going to be connected here. Let's connect here. I take the neutral. It's going to connect it from this terminal and take the neutral to be connected from here. The same neutral is going to be connected to this terminal. The same neutral is going to be connected to this terminal. The neutral again is going to be connected to this terminal. Now I already finished from this room. Now if I'm going to this room, the other circuit breaker, this circuit breaker is going to control this room 2. So this circuit breaker is going to be connected as we did from here to here to here, and this one to this switch, this one to this switch, this one to this switch, this one to this switch. Now as I did in this one, this switch which control the ceiling fan is going to be connected with the regulator and take for the other terminal of the regulator to the fan. Now if I take this one to our decoration light and take this one to our working light and take this one to our lamp, and this one will be connected to the terminal of our socket. Now the same neutral, the neutral is the same. It will be taken from here to here. Here it will take again to here to here. I can also take from here to be here and take from here to this terminal. Now I finish in this room. Now I have also the circuit breaker from this room, the circuit breaker of this room. But before going to the other room, we have to know that this socket has 3 terminal, 3 pin. So there will be a ground wires. This ground will come to be connected to the ground here. The same ground was going to be connected to the other terminal of our socket. Now I come to this circuit breaker. This circuit breaker is going to control this house. So the living room and the washroom. I'm connected the live to this socket, connected again to this socket, connected again to this socket, this one and this one. Now if we see, there is difference because this socket board doesn't have the regulator. Why? Because here we are not going to control any fan. Now we have this one. This switch is going to control our socket. Now we'll have this switch is going to be connected to the one terminal of our socket here. Now we take this one. This socket is going to connect it to our lamp, and this socket is going to control to another lamp. Now this one is going to be connected to this fan, and this one. Now this terminal is going directly to this fan, and this switch is going to be directed to the socket. Now if we come to the negative terminal, means that the neutral is the same. I can take from here again to come here, because same neutral, all the neutral is the same, and take from here to here, take from here to here. I can also take from here to go in this one, because the same neutral, then the same neutral is going. Now I already finished from this part. Now remain in this room. This room will be controlled to. This room is going to control by this circuit breaker. So the same circuit breaker is going to be connected live to this one, and connected as we did in this previous room, and connected to here, connected to here, connect to here. Now this one is going to control to the regulator. The regulator is going to our fan. Now this switch is going to control our decoration, and this one is going to control our lamp. Now how about this one? Now you have this one. When you have this one, it's going to control our working light, and this one will control our socket. Now the socket, we are going to control the negative terminal, meaning the ground. The ground I can take any. This one is not ground, we have to be careful. This one is not ground. Now our ground, I can connect it from any to here, because no need to start from here, so that I can minimize the length of the wires. I can take from here to here, or take from here to here, take from here to here, and take from here to here, this terminal. Now you will see that I almost finished from here. I almost finished. Now we'll go to this circuit breaker. This circuit breaker is going to control to this switch. This circuit breaker is going to this switch again. So you'll see that we can also do our house wiring of all our rooms. I hope everyone understand something in this video. Thank you for watching.